I just want to make sure I'm filming. So that's it. So it's a small little court. And that's the college on the other side. Oh, is that?
Has a little
Cute. Got a little tree house.
garden back there. It's huge.
Yeah, it doesn't look. It is fenced, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got this fence.
Look over there.
Let me see. It looks like there's a bridge or something back there. I can't tell.
It's adorable.
Super cute.
Super cute.
Let's go look on the other side.
You're not going to go to someone's home?
Huh?
You're not going to go to someone's home?
No. I told him. He said he wasn't home. He said he wasn't home right now. So that we could look around. I wonder what that little bridge thing is back there. You see it? Oh, it's just like a garden area or something.
Yeah.
Separate.
Yeah. It's very
I can
nice.
zoom in. Super
Really
cute.
cute.
Super cute.
Hardly any upkeep.
Here's your view. Mm-hmm.
I like it up here.
Yeah, it's super cute inside.
You know that? I like this better than my house.
Really stuck.